Hi everyone, my name is Anandu. In this video, I am sharing my Red Hat challenge task. This challenge includes two parts. Task 1, desktop setup. Task 2, running a UBI container using Podman. I have recorded both these tasks step by step. So if you are preparing for Linux or DevOps or RHCSA, these videos will help you understand how the tasks are done in real lab environment. Let's get started. Okay. Welcome to task 2. In this task, I am going to create 4 independent containers based virtual machines using Podman. Each machine will represent a separate user environment with its own hostname, user account, SSH access, and basic services. The steps I will follow are: pull the official Red Hat UBI9 init image. Second one, create 4 containers using Podman run with unique names and port mapping. Inside each container, install SSH server and start the SSHD service. Fourth one, enable password authentication for SSH. Fifth one, create individual users for each containers. Sixth one, set password, add sudo access and configure login. I will test each container login to demonstrate proper configuration. So we need to disable the format. So we'll run the step. We will see one changed to 0. So we can move to step number 1. Pull the UBI image base image. So the command will be podman pull. Podman pull. Here we need to understand that I am pulling the official Red Hat UBI9 init image. This image comes directly from the Red Hat certified registry registry.access.redhat.com. UBI images are free to use base images provided by Red Hat for containers. This will be the base operating system for all user machines I am going to create. So this will be the work command for that. Okay, this is going to okay. Next step, we are going to create 4 users. Okay, create the 4 user container. Each container maps 20 to a different port number: 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009. That will be the port numbers. So we can okay, we'll move to the next next step. So we have to create first user, so that would be the that would be named as Amal. So the port number we are assigning to him is 2006. So the command we have to run would be podman podman run. That would be the command. So extension minus d minus name amal hyphen container minus h amal minus lab minus p 2006 to a port 22. Privileged 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 privileged. So the same we need that here too. Okay, okay, we need to paste that here. Okay, the command will, okay, we got it. So I need to explain the command. So Podman run. I am starting a new container using Podman. Minus D runs the container in detached mode, runs in background like a real server. പിന്നെ minus minus name amal hyphen container. I am giving the container a custom name called amal container hyphen h amal minus lab. This set the host name inside the container to amal lab minus b 2006 to 22. This maps port number 2006 on the host to port number 22, indicating the container, which is the SSH port. So if the SSH is running inside the container, I can access it via 2006 hyphen hyphen privilege. This gives the container full privileges so it can run system services like systemd and SSH. Registry.access.redhat.com UB9 UB init. This is the official Red Hat universal base image. So sbin init, that would be the I am launching a systemd, otherwise PID1, process ID1 inside the container, so I can start and enable services like SSH just like a normal RHL server. That happened here. So we need other three more. So the other three are Arun, Kiran and Arjun. That would be the container. So I will run the script first. Arun, next step, we are copying 7, that would be the Arun. So we paste that. Okay, next we have 8, that would be okay, that would be Kiran, the port number 9. That should do it. Okay, that will be Arjun. Okay, so we can verify that all using the command verify. So Podman, yes, that would be the command to verify. So we can see 6789 that we assigned to report number using a TCP as the. Okay, we can move to the next step. That would be configure SSH and user inside each container. That would mean that we need to enter into each like we need to enter uh, into amal and set some configure SSH and users, so that we need to enter into the amal. So the command would be podman exec hyphen it, and the container name is aml hyphen container. So we need to enter into him and bash. Okay, that would be the it. So we are now in amal, so we can install some SSH and configure it also. Installing, so the command will be so I am now installing the SSH server and sudo packages inside the containers. So the DNF, so the command DNF install -y open SSH hyphen server and the sudo pass wd, that would do it. Okay, SSH is completed. Now we are moving to enabling SSH, starting and enabling the SSH service. So the command would be systemctl enable hyphen now. Okay, what we need is SSHD. Okay, now is not right. Okay, SSHD. That should do it. Okay, now we have to move to next. We need to create a user called Amal and set a password like 1234 to it. So we need to use the command called user add. Okay, user add, and user will be Amal, the same as the container name. So next we have to set a password, right? So I take echo and Amal and assign a password like 1234 to it and close it. Okay, and we need one more thing, pipe change. Okay, ch pass wd. That should do it. Okay, we have created a user Amal and set a password like 1234. So next we need three things. One, wheel group. We need to put Amal in the wheel group. Next is use, we need to say no password, like no passwordless entry, say passwordless entry to Amal and set a permission. So you we need to use user mode minus a, user mode minus a and capital G. That should do it. Okay, the wheel group is named wheel and the user is Amal. Amal. Okay, Amal. Okay, next we need sudo was, right? Echo. Okay, we need to set Amal, right? Amal, as you need to set a passwordless entry. So that should do it. And the this file, this is the file that going to be corrected. etc slash sudoers.d. That is the file, and the name of the user is Amal. So that should do it. etc slash sudoers. Okay, Amal, that should do it, right? Okay, let's what. Okay, next we need to set a permission, chmod, and the permission will be owner read only, group read only, and others no access. So 0440, that should do it. And the file is etc slash sudoers dot d. Okay, and user is Anand. Okay, that should do it. Okay, we have now moving to the next step, enabling SSH password login. So we have to enable password authentication SSH. So that we use a command called sed. Sed is used to search, edit, or delete text inside a file automatically. Sed means stream editor. I gonna use D for deleting. So first I delete permit password authentication, and I will rewrite it into password authentication S. So that should, that set minus I, and we need pass. I got it. I think I got it. Oh no. Password authentication. Okay, that should do it, authentication, and I need to delete that. So add D and etc slash sudo, sorry, etc slash ssh slash sshd underscore config. That is the file. So we can move. Yeah, now we we rewrite it into password authentication. Yes, so echo permit root login. Okay, permit root login. Yes. Okay, I cannot do so. Okay, I can. Okay, yes, that should do it. And the file is /etc/ssh/sshd underscore config. Okay. Permit root login is okay. The command is right. Wait. Okay. Okay. Echo. We need to set a password. Right. Okay. Next. Echo root. Root password will be 1 2 3 4. Okay, that should do it. And we need a pipe chpass wd. That should do. Oh, why did I do that? Why did I do that? I don't want that. Why did? Okay. Okay. Next we have to enable root login. So that's why I need that. Okay. 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 Now we have the same set command. Set something I need to change would be password authentication is changed to oh shit, I said password authentication to permit root login. That's a mistake from my part. Oh, same file, so I mistakenly done that. Okay, it's okay. Okay, said password authentication, and I I accidentally did it. So we need to change that. How can we change that? We can go to that file, right? Vi that file will be etc slash ssh slash sshd config. I can enter there, and I can need to manually do that. That's the hard thing. I need to find it. Permit root login prohibited password. Permit login prohibited password. Public key. Permit MD passwords. Okay, Garbos. I need to move downwards, right? Upwards. What did I done? Authentication. Permit root login prohibited. Permit login permit root login permit prohibit password. That should be not a tab. Permit root login prohibit password. Permit root login to yes. That should be yes. So that should do it. That should do it. Restrict modes. Did I do that? No. And authentication. Where is the authentication? Authentication. Where is the authentication? Yes. No, no, it should be there. No, I think I might deleted it. Okay. Okay. Did I done permit to the deleted it? Okay. I need to run. Okay, I need to run echo. Mm, okay, I need to do what? Okay, echo. It's simple. Okay, echo, echo slash. Okay, echo password authentication. Authentication. Password authentication. Password authentication. Sure. Yeah, password authentication. Yes, that should do it. And we need to put it in where etc. Okay, to put it. Okay, oh foot. Control C. We need to put Microsoft. Love me. Okay, that should do it. Okay, so we need to check that VI person. Okay, password. Listening. Password authentication root permit root login is restricted mode is okay. Yes, this password authentication. Password authentication. I didn't see that. Why did it? Okay. Permit root login. Yes. That I need to delete. So permit root login. I can do that once again, right? Okay. Set hyphen hyphen I permit root login. I think that you can go for it and change it. And okay, let's move on. You don't have echo underscore root. Okay, 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Okay, that should do it. And ch pass w. Oh, footer. Why I am using that? Okay, we shall restart it. System Ctl restart sshd. Okay, we should exit from him. We are in amal, right? We should exit from him, amal. So we exit from amal. That should do it. We have to repeat this for other three. So the first nesting will be Arun. So we need to first we need to get it into fire, get in with control C. So we have to start with him, and we need to ready enough install systemctl enable systemctl enable. Okay, we need to user add Arun, and we need to set a password. Okay, we need to set a password. Wheel group. We need to enter into the wheel group and set it, and we are copying and pasting. We are done it. So the next is password authentication. We have to do it. Oh, okay. We are done it. So next will be the permit root login. So the permitted root login. So that's it. You can reset it. Copy paste. Okay, we can't paste it up. We can move to Kiran. Where is the Kiran? Okay, Kiran. Paste. Go to Kiran. DNF install. Kiran. We need to enable Kiran. Enable SSHD. Kiran. Now we can user add Kiran and set a password. We have to sit over and we can. Okay, we can do this. Okay, we can. Next, we have to authenticate. Authentication permit authentication password authentication is set. Password authentication. Next, we have to set the permit root login. That we need to set. Okay, next we have to system restart. No. We can no. We can restart the SSHD. Next we paste it, exit order. Okay, next we have one more. That will be the Arun. Okay, Arun. We got Arun. DNF installed Arun. So we can go for pass WD systemctl enabled. We can enable it. We can user add him. Next we echo password for him. We can add him to the wheel group and sudo was. And next we need to do is password authentication, permit root login. Next we have to restart it. Paste. So we need to exit him, and that's all we can do now. Next we need to move to the command podman ps. Podman ps, that should see run container. Yeah, we got it. So next we have to find the IP address called ifconfig. Okay, dot me. That is a command, so we can copy it and we can use it in the putty app. Opening the putty app, paste it, and the port number will be, we can access one by one. 2007 will be Kiran, so we can access Kiran. Oh yes, right. No, Kiran, not Kiran, Arun. That will be him. Okay, password will be 1234. Yes, we entered into Arun, and now we can like we can install some tools so that we can see that DNF, like installing basic packages like IP root, NetTools, Vim, and Nano. So we can see that install -y. We need IP route net hyphen tools. Okay, Vim, Nano. So we can see that. Sorry. Install -y IP DNF install. Description management repository not updated. This command will be run in a privileged super user. Sorry. We need to sudo -i. So we can sudo -i. We can get into root and we can DNF install -y IP route net hyphen tools and Vim and Nano. So it should work. Okay, it's working. So we can exit. Okay, are you sure? Okay, we are seen from Arun. Okay, we can check for Arjun, Amal. Okay, we can move that to putty, paste it off. Sorry. Control E backspace. That should be, here is the port. Copy it and paste it into the port number 2006. That should be Amal. We can use Amal password 1234. Can see, oh yeah, we entered into Amal and sudo hyphen I, we can use that, and DNF install -y and IP route Ricum Vim net hyphen tools I made, and next will be Vim and Nano. uh, does he can do that? Okay, he also can do that. So so uh, we move to right we move to like we move to Kiran or Kiran or why did I need that? Port number will be 2007. No, 2008. Oh, side mission. Okay, roadside unaccidentally disclosed. Okay. Something I think with the epic config, right? It's okay. It's okay. Podman PS running. Okay, we can go for. Okay, we can go for go. Okay. That's all. These are working, but port number. Okay, we can 2009. We can see what happening. Remote site unaccidentally closed the network. What is that? Okay. Okay, I found the problem that I just overviewed and resumed. That's the problem. Okay, next. Okay, we got copy and the time. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay, we need putty, right? Putty, paste putty. Okay, 2008. That should do it. Except once the the login as Kiran, right? Kiran. Okay, password for Kiran 1234. Okay, let's sudo hyphen I uh, sudo hyphen I do that. Okay, now dnf install install vim for example. Okay, that's it's working, and we can see that for paste. Okay, nothing to paste. Okay, copy it, paste it, okay, paste it, and the last one we can see 2009. That would be Arjun. Arjun. Okay, the password will be 1234. Enter that. Okay, sudo minus I. So we can enter into this. So dnf install, like what we need, ip route, ip route. Okay, next net hyphen tools, next vim. No, that's I need. Okay, you can see all these running. Install size. Okay, we go. Yes. Okay, it's installing. Yeah, complete. So our task is done. Thank you for your patience. Okay.